What's up? What's up? It's still Wednesday. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern time. As you can see, I when I this morning I was at $900 and I managed to trade an hour after I stopped trading because I was emotionally hijacked and just frustrated with what's going on. And I I came back and I got my $1. I came back and I got my $1, as you can see. Uh, this morning I was at $9.52, and my $1 comes out to be about $48 like that. But still, I managed to take care of that and the commissions. So I was in this stock right here. I could have stayed in for longer, like I could do it right now. But yeah, I'm done. I was man. If that would have went through, I would have kept it. But some bad news came in, so there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and get a couple more cents. If I make $55, and I'll truly. There we go, $55, and then I'll truly. Right there. There we go. All right, now I truly took care of my $1 plus my commissions, SEC fees, ECN fees, CAT fees, and the NSCC. There's one more fee. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one more fee that I don't know why they don't put that on there, but that fee's been taken care of too. So I've actually truly right now made $2 more, which officially brought me over the fees, and I made my dollar for today. So I just wanted to, so that's 3 days in a row. This morning I was truly emotional hijacked. I formed a bias prior to the stock before the market opened, and in the pre-market I actually hurt myself in the pre-market. I was down $26, $26.56. I jumped into SOX, $26.56, and I battled it all day, and I just formed the bias. Let me look at SOX. See, if I would have took SOX right now, look at that. See, as this is going down, this is going up. I could have rode that up, but either way, you know what I mean. But I'm done. I already made my dollar, and that's the goal. Just make the damn dollar and get the hell out. I was down as much as $50, right? $56, something like that. And I managed to come all the way back and break even. So I came back and got that back. And then I stopped trading for a little bit. And then I came back and started trading again. And right now, I got my dollar for the day. So I'm in a 3-day winning streak. And tomorrow, I just got to home it in, man. I mean, emotionally hijacked really screwed me up. It really did. Screwed me up this morning. And it frustrated me. And that's part of trading, right? I mean, just want to go and focus. And then when you're I get emotionally hijacked more when I'm behind. When I'm behind on the play, I get really emotionally hijacked. So, and I gotta learn to stop doing that if I need to be successful in this. So this is my 3rd day winning streak. I did make a mistake yesterday by telling you guys that SOXX is not shortable. It is shortable, but it's a hard to borrow stock, so you have to get locates. You have to borrow shares to short it. So wasn't that I was wrong. I was just speaking too fast and I overspoke myself. But yeah, you can short any one of these stocks. Just that some of them that are easy to borrow, like Soxel, it has an S on the montage, and SOXS you can't. It has has HTB, hard to borrow. So if you want to short that, you can, but you got to borrow the shares. You got to pay for locate fees. So just want to make it clear like that. Sometimes I listen to, I go back and I review my videos, and I tell myself, wait a minute, I made a mistake there. Why did I say that? Why did I make a note, and I'll come back the next day and I'll fix that. So there it is. I've got back my dollar for today. So tomorrow morning, first thing, try to get a dollar again. And you're never really out of it with these stocks. SOXL and SOXS, you're never really out of it. Because when you're down, It's not like you're down and out, because look at it, the stock is still tradable. Look at it on both sides, SOX and SOXL. You can still trade this. For me right now, I believe it's a little more overextended, so I'm done for today. I've already got my goal, so I'm done. But yeah, you're never really out of it with SOXL and SOX. You could trade this all damn day, and even when the market's closed at 4 o'clock, this thing still trades 24 hours. And hopefully, Ocean One, my broker, will soon enough be able to let us trade those, because this stock last night it went up $10. From yesterday to today, it went from 66. I'm sorry, 56 to 57 to 67 overnight. Did I predict that? No, I don't know how it's going to move. But if there's an opportunity while I'm in, because I want to move one of these to my living room, because I'm in the office trading. I want to move these to the living room, because I want to be able to sit there and watch a movie or kick back and have a drink and just chill and just always keep my peripherals on these two stocks. Because if these things if there's a setup forming, I want to be able to get in the setup. And but if you look at my P&L SOX SOSX, I lost $26.50. I took a risk on a high play. I took a really risk against all my rules. The stock was trending in the opposite direction, and I jumped in on it, thinking that I can catch a quick snipe. But what happened was that when I jumped in, it did bounce up, and then it went totally opposite. It still was going towards the trend, and I was trying to go, and it didn't work out. And then when I was down $10, $5, I started getting emotionally hijacked until I said, bang, and then I hit the sell to get out of it, and I was like all pissed off at that. So I was already pissed off at that, and emotionally biased from all the news. Man, I was hijacked for hell. So yeah, but I end up coming back, getting my zen back, and doing it right. So there it is, part 2. Made my goal, and tomorrow morning 9:30 again, right back at it. Try to get it for 4 days in a row, hopefully. Now, I'm still working with a small account, but it's not about the money. It's about me making that dollar a day. So even if that's $1 million, as long as I can make $1 a day every single day, doesn't matter what the account is. Doesn't matter what it is. It really isn't, because it could be a $10,000 or $100,000 or $200,000. As long as I can be consistent on getting my daily goal and stop getting emotionally hijacked on certain times, I'll be all right. I truly will be all right. And I'm proving myself to it right now. I'm proving myself that I can be consistent. Well, it's only been 3 days. Is it luck? Say, working on it. But tomorrow and Friday, I'll see what happens. And if I just continue to be consistent, when I start funding this more in a couple weeks, if not next week, this is going to get crazy. And then I'm going to be making $1,000 a day, if not $3,000 a day. And then that's when life really changes. It's just life changing stuff here. So, so right now the market's turning around. Can I go short on SOXL? No, it won't let me go short on that one. But unless I borrow the shares, or can I go long on it? But see, this is the part. That's the FOMO, right? The FOMO. So I'm done with that. So tomorrow morning, 9:30, first thing. We'll see you guys then. Thank you for watching.